cold wind, it's perfect. I hope ganun yung weather sa Philippines. It's perfect. Alam nyo ngayon, I'll just kwento something. Kwento, meron akong, I've been playing this game ever since. Like, I don't know, since our first tour, like 4 years ago, ganyan. Pero now, na-addict na naman ako sa kanya. Not because I've been to the Riot office, but kasi nilalaro ko siya. Just this, si Maki nanood. What's up, habang buhay pansamantala. Hindi, bago na pala, Just rest on my luck, put your luck on luck. So just rest on my luck. Okay, back again to my story. Ano nga yung kinikwento ko? Yun. So, kasi, nung bago kami lumipad going to LA, I was thinking if I should bring my laptop and my Switch. And sabi ko, no. I just bought a new tablet kasi sabi ko, masyado mabigat yung laptop. Baka hindi naman ako makalaro because we have a very hectic schedule, and Switch naman din baka like it's mabigat or madami na akong dala, parang ganyan. So sabi ko, okay, I'll just bring my tablet and my hello Aurum. Bakit Aurum? 18 na sila, uy. So dinala ko tsaka yung regalo ni Miss Kia. Show you. I forgot what it's called. Malamig. What it's called? It's like a book. It's a book. Para siyang ano yung tawag dun? Basta yung book na pero it's so small. Look. Tadan! And I'm reading Remarkably Bright Creatures. So, ang galing kasi tumalo na naman yung story ko. Di ko na nakwento yung game. Pero babalikan ko yung game. Okay. So, nung bago lumipad, pinanood ko yung Remarkably Bright Creatures sa Netflix. Tapos it's so nice. Like, nakakaiyak siya and it's so cute. The story is cute and wholesome but it's heartfelt. Gusto ko yung mga ganong movies. Tapos very cozy and aesthetic ng settings. So you should watch it. It's my recommendation. And I'm reading the book. So, ang nangyari, dinala ko to, tsaka yung tablet ko. So, syempre, binasa ko na rin. Sabi ko, it's okay. Mas na-imagine ko siya kasi pinanood ko yung movie. Uy, si Inigo. What's up, Inigo? Kamusta? Baka kuya. Ginamit ko lang siya. Palipad to LA. So, nung nagwe-wait kami ng flight, hanggang sa flight, tapos di ko na siya hinawakan ulit. Oops! Ngayon ko na lang siya ulit hinawakan. Kasi na-addict nga ako sa game dun sa nilalaro ko sa tablet. So, nilaro ko siya ulit. So, tagal kong di nilaro. It's called Legends of Runeterra. It's the card game of League of Legends. So, the Runeterra, the characters there. If you've watched Arcane, so nandun din yung characters doon. It's a card game, pero it's mobile. Online. Na-addict ulit ako sa kanya. So, binalikan ko siya. Kasi nga, I don't know, I just wanna play it. Tapos, nung nilaro ko siya, na-addict na naman ako. I can't stop playing it.